Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we just repaired this old Pavoni espresso machine with wooden handles. And you can see we replaced the power switch and the connectors under here. You can see all those blue connectors are new. The old one was in pretty bad shape. So it's looks like this. This switch doesn't even stay. And the connectors are all burnt up. Well, this one's not so bad. I'll show you what's worse. Kind of like this, yeah. So you can see this one pulled the contactor out of the power switch when we pulled it. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. I'm doing it one-handed. And you can see there's a little leak here. This should probably, the spindle and nut should probably be replaced pretty soon inside of the steam valve. And then I can see that this is pretty loose, so we might want to see if we can find, not too, depends on what the customer wants, but might want to replace that sometime soon. What else? Oh yeah, I noticed that this, for some reason, this lever is upside down, so I'm going to fix that. That's a simple fix. So thank you for watching with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.